in the quiet corners of our kitchen, nestled among the spices and utensils, are bottles of cooking oil that many of us reach for without a second thought. They sit there, shiny and inviting, promising flavor and ease in our culinary adventures. However, unbeknownst to us, some of these oils may be quietly undermining our heart health, leading us down a path of potential cardiovascular issues. Let's explore 5 types of cooking oils that, while popular and widely used, may be doing more harm than good to our hearts. First on the list is canola oil, a staple in many households due to its light flavor and versatility. It's often marketed as a heart-healthy option, but the reality is more complex. Canola oil is derived from rapeseed, and much of it, on the market today, is refined and processed. This process not only strips away many of its natural nutrients, but also leads to the formation of trans fats, which are notorious for raising bad cholesterol levels while lowering good cholesterol. This imbalance can lead to an increased risk of heart disease. Additionally, canola oil is high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when consumed in excess and without a proper balance of omega-3s, can promote inflammation in the body. Many people are unaware that their daily cooking with canola oil could be contributing to these silent heart health risks. Next, we turn our attention to soybean oil, another common ingredient found in kitchens and restaurants alike. Soybean oil is often used in processed foods and is a popular choice for frying due to its high smoke point. However, it's important to note that soybean oil is also predominantly composed of omega-6 fatty acids. The modern diet is already rich in omega-6s, primarily due to the prevalence of processed foods, and adding soybean oil into the mix can exacerbate the imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. This imbalance is linked to chronic inflammation, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Moreover, many soybean oils are refined and may contain harmful additives or preservatives that could further impact heart health. The convenience of soybean oil often overshadows its hidden dangers, leaving many unaware of the potential consequences of their everyday cooking choices. Next on our list is corn oil, a popular choice in many households, especially for frying and baking. Corn oil is often praised for its mild flavor and high smoke point, making it a go-to for many recipes. However, like canola and soybean oil, corn oil is also high in omega-6 fatty acids. The excessive consumption of omega-6s, combined with insufficient omega-3 intake, can lead to an imbalance that promotes inflammation and contributes to heart disease. Furthermore, the processing of corn oil often involves chemical extraction methods that can leave behind residues harmful to health. The widespread use of corn oil in processed foods and fast foods compounds the issue, making it easy for individuals to unknowingly consume it in excess. As we reach for the bottle, we may not realize that we are adding to our heart health woes. Next, we encounter sunflower oil, which has gained popularity in recent years as a cooking oil and salad dressing. It's often touted for its light flavor and high vitamin E content, making it seem like a healthy choice. However, sunflower oil is primarily composed of omega-6 fatty acids, particularly in its refined form. While omega-6s are essential for our bodies, the modern diet tends to be excessively high in these fats, leading to an imbalance that can trigger inflammatory responses. This chronic inflammation has been linked to various health issues, including heart disease. Additionally, many sunflower oils undergo extensive processing, which can strip away beneficial nutrients and introduce harmful compounds. The allure of sunflower oil as a healthful option can be misleading, as its potential heart health risks linger beneath the surface. Finally, we arrive at palm oil, a cooking oil that has sparked significant debate in recent years. While palm oil is often praised for its stability at high temperatures and its rich flavor, its impact on heart health is concerning. Palm oil is high in saturated fats, which can raise LDL cholesterol levels, a known risk factor for heart disease. While some argue that not all saturated fats are harmful, the consensus among health experts is that excessive consumption can lead to negative cardiovascular outcomes. Moreover, the environmental impact of palm oil production raises ethical concerns, but that's a discussion for another day. For those who are health conscious, the use of palm oil in cooking and processed foods may not align with their goals of maintaining a healthy heart. As we navigate the complex landscape of cooking oils, it becomes evident that our daily choices can have significant implications for our heart health. Many of us reach for these oils without considering their long-term effects, often believing we are making healthy choices. The truth is that the oils we use can contribute to an imbalance in our diets, leading to inflammation and an increased risk of heart disease. So, what can we do to protect our heart health while still enjoying the flavors and convenience of cooking oils? The first step is to educate ourselves about the oils we use and their nutritional profiles. By being informed, we can make conscious choices that align with our health goals. For instance, consider replacing common oils like canola, soybean, corn, sunflower, and palm oil with healthier alternatives. Extra virgin olive oil, for example, is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, making it a heart-healthy option. Avocado oil is another excellent choice, known for its high smoke point and nutritional benefits. These oils not only provide flavor, but also contribute positively to heart health. In addition to choosing healthier oils, it's essential to pay attention to portion sizes and overall dietary patterns. Cooking oils should be used in moderation, as excessive consumption of any fat can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Incorporating a variety of healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, can help create a balanced diet that supports heart health. Moreover, it's crucial to be mindful of processed foods that often contain unhealthy oils. Reading labels and being aware of the ingredients in packaged products can help us avoid hidden sources of harmful fats. By prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods and cooking at home, we can take control of our dietary choices and reduce our reliance on unhealthy oils. As we reflect on our cooking habits, it's clear that awareness is key. The oils we use daily may be silently impacting our heart health, but with knowledge and intentionality, we can make choices that promote well-being. By opting for healthier alternatives and being conscious of our overall dietary patterns, we can protect our hearts and nourish our bodies. In a world filled with culinary options, let us choose wisely, ensuring that the oils we use enhance our health rather than compromise it. The journey toward heart health is not just about avoiding harmful oils. It's about embracing a holistic approach to nutrition and well-being. With each meal, we have the power to nourish ourselves, support our hearts, and cultivate a healthier future. As we stand in our kitchens, let's make choices that reflect our commitment to heart health, one meal at a time.